ये देखिए दोस्तों, ये बीच में संगम है, ये संगम का तरफ और ये अरेल का तरफ। मेला के बहुत दिनों बाद भी अभी तक गुलजार। ये हमारे मित्र हैं आशीष। और जो है ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे सारे वीवीआईपी, प्रधानमंत्री हों, राष्ट्रपति हों या जितने भी वीवीआईपी हों, वो सब इसी में स्नान करे थे, इसी में अपने वस्त्र चेंज करे थे, अपने कपड़े चेंज करके जाते थे। वो सब अभी किनारे ले आया गया है, अब धीरे धीरे फिर रिवॉल्व किया जाएगा। ये आज की तारीख में अभी आपको बता दूंगा। ये देखिए, यही वो जगह। आपको इसका मैं इंटीरियर दिखाता हूँ। देखिए, ये है इंटीरियर। ये डोर मैंने खोला, ये अंदर बस इतना है इंटीरियर चेंज करने का। ये बगल वाले का मैंने खोला और ये भी, ये बस इतना इंटीरियर रहता था चेंज करने का। समझ आया? दो आगे दो पीछे, एक तंबू में, ये एक तंबू है, ये एक तंबू है, इसका दो आगे दो पीछे। ये व्यवस्था थी यहाँ की, बहुत ही लाजवाब व्यवस्था, बहुत ही अच्छे से मैनेजमेंट था इस कुंभ का। ये पूरा जो है फ्लोटिंग चेंजिंग रूम आप कह सकते हो, फ्लोटिंग घाट कह सकते हो आप, एनीवे व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू कॉल इट, बट दिस इज क्वाइट कूल, यू नो, लाइक वी कैन कम हियर राइट नाउ। वह पहले आते तो भगा दिए जाते, पैसे ही नहीं थे। सो दिस इज ऑल. This is Yamuna Bank where we are standing right now, and these all are pitched to the bank of river to devolve, and you can see the majestic view. The one who have not came yet to experience this Kumbh, those are the Naviks. We have talked to them. And they are very generous people, very, very warm people. They have talked to their heart fullest. Believe me, they are very, very genuine people. They are actually thinking that we are someone who are very rich, who is, you know, who are roaming on this ground. But actually we are not. We are just, you know, kind of doing our stuff. So this is it. This is Yamuna actually, and the Ganga is far apart where I told you the Sangam is, and ये इधर इतना किनारे ले आया गया है। अब ये धीरे धीरे डिवॉल्व हो जाएगा। That part is Aral part, Aral, and that one is the Nani Bridge. Okay, so these all are the whatever you say, the changing VVIPs, changing rooms where you're supposed to pay lakhs rupees, and right now we are roaming for free, actually. So this is cool. Let me show you more. See, these are, and the thing is, there are these boundaries, and this is like I have stepped on another one boat. So these all are the things. This is Yamuna Bank, and the Ganga Bank is over there. The last part you are seeing is actually the Sangam. Okay, so the Ganga is coming from there, and the Yamuna is coming from here. So the amalgamation of two rivers is over there, and then after they are going towards Varanasi. The main Sangam is over there, where the last part of light you can see. Okay, so these are the kind of cool stuff where, like, I am feeling quite cool, you know, I'm feeling quite cool, like I am feeling quite proud that where our prime ministers and our presidents have changed their clothes for taking a bath in this river. I am actually seeing those things. So these are very, very simple, very, very simple and very elegant changing rooms. You can see this. Okay, and we have came here by I have not taken any permissions, so you can call me whatever you can want to call me. So these all are the stuff. Okay, and I have not yet taken any permissions. For this is all you can see, you know, the kind of rush and the kind of energy which was during the Kumbh. Believe me, if that time I have to take permission to record all this, I guess, I'm not sure, but I guess I'm supposed to pay 1 lakh or maybe 1.5 lakh rupees to record this. But this time it's for free. So I'm showing you this now, okay? And so these all are the boats. This is one boat. This is one floating boat where changing rooms are here, and these all were on the Sangam, okay? And this one is another. So these are the stairs from where you can go down and take a bath. And this one was another, okay? So these were all in different positions. Right now, these all came along together to get dissolved, okay? And okay, you can see the traditional boats along with this Yamuna river. And here I would like to show you something very majestic, very traditional, which I really love very much. This is the only fort of Allahabad city, okay? This one where the lightings are there, okay, on the midst of that. This is the only fort of Allahabad, and which is truly majestic. Believe me, it's situated on the bank of river Yamuna and alongside Sangam. It's really, really majestic. And that's all. See, these all are it's quite huge, you know. The VVIP treatment was quite huge, actually, whatever you can see. I'm not against VVIP culture, because we common people are, you know, we are somehow we are like, if there was no VVIP culture, we will like eat those VVIP. So I am not against to it, okay, truly speaking. But yeah, kind of it, I don't know, it's all on you guys. So just enjoy the view, that's all. I'm not going idealistic, I'm not going to give my idealistic or whatever viewpoint, but just enjoy it. That is the Nani Bridge, this is the Yamuna Bridge, this is the fort. These all are the VVIP treatment, changing rooms and all that. These are the traditional boats, and that one is the whatever you call it. And the Sangam is over there, okay? This is the Yamuna, and the Ganga is coming from that side, and from the amalgamation is happening over there. The Sangam is over there, and then the river is going towards Varanasi. I'm Allahabadi, proud Allahabadi. I have served my best during the Kumbh, and rest is all on you. Love you, buddies.